Hello, the peeps, and welcome to another power-packed Phillips podcast, the best podcast in the entire world. Just a reminder, the homework for tonight is workbook page 40, problems 5, 6, and 7, so please write yourself the reminder. Also, just reminding you and letting you know, the online tutoring tonight is cancelled because Mr. Phillips has the meeting tonight at the school board. No online tutoring. Also, the 10-question review packet this week has been cancelled because we are a week ahead. Woohoo! So the 10-question review packet is cancelled this week. You'll get another one next week. Alrighty, back to normal world. If you would, please draw yourself a coordinate grid. Go up 10, right 10, left to negative 10, and down 10. When you're done, I'm going to ask that you staple that coordinate grid into your notes/homework spiral. Pause the podcast. BRB. We are going to continue working on lesson 4.5. Slope intercept form. This will be part 3. So please write your notes, lesson 4.5, slope intercept form, part 3. I would like you to write the equation 3x minus 3y equals 12. Please write the equation 3x minus 3y equals 12. We talked about how you could graph this linear equation by making yourself a t-table, picking 3 values, 3 numbers for x. That would be the walk behind lawnmower. We talked about doing the x and y intercepts, 0, question mark, 0, riding lawnmower. And we talked about our new way, which was you rise out of bed and run to catch the bus. So, just want to let you know, if you told me the slope was 3, thanks for playing. If you told me the y-intercept is 12, thanks for playing. You have to be careful because there is a flag on the play. The flag on the play is that we have an illegal formation by the equation. The slope is not 3 and the y-intercept is not 12. Why? Because we have a flag on the play, illegal formation by the equation. Before you can identify the slope or the y-intercept, you must rewrite the equation so that y is the tornado. Before you can identify the slope or y-intercept, you must rewrite the equation so that y is a tornado, or we call that slope-intercept form. Please make yourself a note that before you can identify the slope or y-intercept, you have to rewrite the equation. Alrighty. This part should be easy, so here we go. Rewrite the equation so that y is a tornado. 3x is a spy. I'm going to subtract 3x on both sides. These will cancel. Bada bing, bada boom. Over here, I cannot put them together. One is a star, one is a heart. One is allergic to dogs, one has a dog. Now I will rewrite the equation. Negative 3y equals 12 minus 3x. I notice that these are touching each other. The inverse of multiplication is division. Da bears. So I'm going to divide every term by negative 3. What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. These will cancel each other. I have 12 divided by negative 3 right here. And I have negative 3 divided by negative 3. 12 divided by negative 3 is negative 4. Negative 3 divided by negative 3 is positive 1. Remember that if the bad guy is leaving town, everybody is happy. Now we have the signal for a touchdown. Now we can identify the slope and y-intercept. Now we can identify the slope and y-intercept. Remember, the slope is a number that touches the variable x. So, in this equation, 1 is touching the variable x. My slope is 1. Remember that your y-intercept does not touch the variable x. Negative 4 does not touch the variable x. Negative 4 would be my y-intercept. We said before, step 1, plot the y-intercept first. So I'm going to go to negative 4 on the y-axis. I'm going to go to negative 4 on the y-axis. Remember, if you go to negative 4 here, epic fail, just like the Titans yesterday. Da Bears! This is the x-axis. We want the y-axis. Step 2, start at your house and plot the slope. Remember that in math, slope is rise over run. Rise over run. So I'm going to make this a fraction, and the question mark says, what do you make your denominator? Good job, boys and girls. If you don't have a denominator, you make the denominator 1. You make the denominator 1. Remember, our choices are that we can go down or we can go up. In this case, we are going to go up because the number is positive. He is a spy. Go up because the number is positive. Then I'm going to go right. So my slope would be a rise and run of 1 over 1. Up 1, right 1. Up 1, right 1. Up 1, right 1. Up 1, right 1. Rule of thumb, keep graphing until you pass the x-intercept. Up 1, right 1. Up 1, right 1. Up 1, right 1. These are my ordered pairs. Connect them with a line, arrows on both ends. There's my equation. Y equals negative 4 plus 1x. Here is my y-intercept, negative 4, up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1. And in this case, my x-intercept would be right here at positive 4. So I have a y-intercept of negative 4. Ouch, that kind of looks like the Titans play yesterday. There we go. That's looking like da Bears. And my x-intercept would be 4. Remember, the biggest thing, guys, is before you can identify the slope or y-intercept, you must rewrite the equation so that y is the tornado. See ya. Better luck to the Titans next week. Ha 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 ha. Epic fail.